National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware until 6:45 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sharptown, or 11 miles northwest of Salisbury, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Seaford, Millsboro, Laurel, Lewis, Selbyville, Delmer, Dagsboro, Millville, Henlope and Acres, Gumboro, Sycamore, Long Neck, Ocean View, Blades, Frankfort, South Bethany, Dewey Beach and Bethel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Sussex, Delaware,